Now we are going to learn how to include the videos into your HTML document. This one is just the same as you include the images into your HTML document. In order to include the videos into your HTML document, all you need to do is open the tag name called video. Then you need to specify the source. Here, name of the video. Let's say I've got the videos here. Maybe the name of the video that I want to include them here is float versus double. This is the name of the video and this is an MP4 format. Then just close this one. So this video tag should come with a closing video tag. Now let me save and refresh my browser. As you can see them here, this is a video actually, but it doesn't have any control. Let me just maximize. Actually this is a video, but it does not have any controls. So in order to include some controls, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to include the controls. So what I'm going to do, type the property as controls, save, then refresh. When I maximize now, I'm sure that now you can able to see the controls for this video. This is a play button, this is a mute button, this is a maximize button. For example, let me mute this one. Let me minimize, maximize. This is a control. If I want to play this video, here we go. If you play this one, it can play the video. Right now, the next property that I can use here, because this one seems to be looking big, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set the width, maybe 400 pixels. Let me save and refresh. As you can see them here, now because of the width is equal to 400 pixels, now you can able to see the video clearly. Now I can set another property name called poster. What is the use of that post? In case if I want to set some thumbnails for this video, that one can be done with the help of the property name called posters. So here poster, here I need to pass the name of the thumbnail. Let's say here I've got the image name called mypost.png. So let me use them here. Let me save and refresh. As you can see them here, now you can see the video with the thumbnail, right? Then the next property that I can set, I can mute the audio by default, like using the property name called muted. Let me save. As you can see them here, my audio is now enabled, right? Now I have included the property name called muted. Let me refresh. As you can see them here, the audio has been muted, but if you want to play, you can play, but still my audio is muted. Then another property that I can do is loop. So what is the use of this loop? Let me save and run. In case while I was playing my video, let me play my video, I've reached this level. When I am done with this video is going to loop through. It's going to start from the beginning again. That is the use of the property name called loop. So this is how you can include the video into your web page. For more tutorial videos, kindly subscribe to Beginner's Guide.